Good afternoon. Confidence comes from a Latin word meaning to have full trust, either in yourself, someone else, or an ideal or pursuit. Confidence is an attractive characteristic. High morale, self assurance, composure, competence, and even courage are all connected to confidence. To be able to trust someone fully is a goal for friendships and for partners, both in business and settled relationships. We are often told to take confidence in our own abilities. But how many times do we say to ourselves or to others, I lack confidence, I wish I had more? Perhaps too frequently. Perhaps we are slightly ashamed as we admit this, because somehow in our society, to lack self confidence is regarded as disappointing, letting down yourself and others. If you Google self confidence today, you'll find an abundance of tips and training exercises on positive thinking. It's big business. You can learn how to fake it till you make it, or navigate the gender gap in business with this one simple trick. Neatly summarized life stories will show you the importance of taking confidence in yourself, no matter what the world throws at you. Michael Jordan, Chicago Bulls basketball star, was told at school he didn't have the skill set to play in the NBA. His persistence and self-confidence made him the greatest basketball player of his generation. Henry Ford, the father of the motor car and the Ford brand, was left destitute after serial businesses failed. His persistence and self-confidence led him to keep going despite it all, to develop one of the most successful companies in American history. A global megastar such as Beyoncé Knowles shares her perspective in these words. When I'm not feeling my best, I ask myself, what are you going to do about it? I use the negativity to fuel the transformation into a better me. The internet shares these summaries to challenge you. If they can do it, so can you. But each of these cases is problematic. Not everyone has the standout talent which Michael Jordan or Beyoncé Knowles took their childhood confidence from. Your local economy might not have space for hundreds of thousands of entrepreneurs. How, in any case, can everyone become a market leader? And thinking about the environment, should we regard the polluting motor car as a factory blueprint for achieving your dream? So what does confidence mean for you today? And what does the college value of confidence mean for teachers and educators? We can feel it within us when we get positive feedback on our work or see the favourable impression our kind words make. You can feel it at the start of a games fixture when you know you've put in the hard work during training to give the match your best. The same goes for an exam. Confidence is related to competence. You can see it when someone stands up and speaks out against someone who is using antisocial words and behaviour. Our headmaster acted confidently in our assembly before Exeat, sharing a part of his life at the start of LGBT Plus Week. Confidence is related to courage. This week, we hope you enjoy your form time discussions as you reflect on what actions, people, and ideals give you confidence in your individual lives. And I finish with a challenge. Be confident yourself. Put your camera on. Talk to each other face to face and feel uplifted as you grow in confidence because you took the first step.